Hello everyone, welcome to Design Minds channel. In this tutorial I am going to explain what is subdomain and how to set up a subdomain. Okay, subdomain is nothing but a domain that is coming from your primary domain. For example, your primary domain is called a parent domain, okay, and the subdomain is called a children domain. Okay, for example, if you have your domain name called www.yourdomain.com, okay, from your primary domain you can separate, and you can divide the primary domain into multiple domains like hr.yourdomain.com, blog.yourdomain.com, division.yourdomain.com, and department.yourdomain.com. So this subdomain will treat as a separate domain, separate website like your primary domain. So if someone is type yourdomainname.com, it will take you to the primary domain. Okay, from there, if you provide a button with the hyperlink to redirect to the HR portal, they can just click on that button and they can landing into the hr.yourdomain.com, which will take them to the separate website. Okay, let me show you an example so that you will get a clear idea what is a primary domain and what is the subdomain. Okay, so this is my primary domain, designminds.com. Okay, once you logged in to the domain vendor, all you have to go to is find the setting, okay, and click on manage subdomain. Okay, once you click on the manage subdomain, you will see the option to add a new subdomain option, or you can set up your existing subdomain. Okay, so in my case I already set up a subdomain called template1.designminds.com, template2.designminds.com, template3.designminds.com up to template 6. Okay, so I have set up this subdomain and set up the destination also in a different hosting method, which I'll explain it to you later. Okay, so in your case, if you want to create another Google free business website, you can create a subdomain and you can add that URL to the subdomain. For example, let me create one subdomain for you just for the testing purpose. And GBus. Alright, my GBus has been created. Now I'm just clicking on the cancel. Okay, now here is the gbus.designminds.com. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to redirect this subdomain to the my free business site I have created in the Google. Okay, so all I have to do is just copy. In my previous video I was explaining how to redirect, forward the domain to the Google business. Now I'm using the subdomain to use the same method. Copy, okay, click on it, adjust destination, forward domain. I am just placing that Google business URL here and click the save button. Okay, that's it. Now if someone type the subdomain URL, which is gbusdesignminds.com, it will take you to the my Google business page. See, as you can see, I just typed that gbus.designminds.com subdomain. It will take you to the actual Google business page of my business. Okay, same way I have already created the multiple subdomains. Let me show you one more time. Under the Design Minds, manage subdomain, you'll see a lot of subdomains. Template.design, template2.designminds.com I have created a separate website where you can see this is my primary website. Okay, and if I click on the templates, it will take me to the subdomain website. Let me show you. It is available here. This is template 1. If the user clicked on this template 1, it will take you to the template1.designminds.com as a separate website. So in your case, as I mentioned earlier, you can set up any number of subdomains for your different department like HR and accounts and different department. Even you can create the gallery.designminds.com or blog or designminds.com. So subdomain is just like a complete new website based on your primary domain. Alright, so thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you have any clarifications. Alright, if you like the video, if you like this information very useful, please like and share and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to create more videos. Thank you.